we are breaking out of balance, and overnight inventory is again 100% long. It is trending, but we had some bigger pullback in European sessions, so it is not that skewed to the long side. However, it is still long, and yesterday ended with kind of a spike, or rather a double distribution. So until we are above the base of the spike, it's quite okay for going higher. So even if we go back into yesterday's range, I think the odds are for later move up, because there's very small chance that we can get value overlapping. So probably value will be higher. We are breaking above this multi-day swing high, which was 34.20 area, and above that it's not much above, so we can hang on to any significant levels. So I have some marked on, but they haven't been visited like for a month, so I should more rely on the structure that develops today. I think that we might have, if we get an early pullback, I'd like to see the reaction around here to possibly get long. If we get lower, well, basically I could go through even filling the gap is not a good opportunity to enter longs, and revisiting the settle and dipping into single prints are all references, but it depends if we get trending lower, or if we build higher value than dip and get back there. It depends how the action will look. If we get above overnight high, well, I might look for a pullback to enter longs, unless we make a clear excess higher and come back. Then it's maybe it's the only possibility to get short. There are some confluences around 34.50, and I think I will be getting short there, but yesterday I got biased to the short side, and I missed really good opportunity for a long in F or G period when we traded higher and had this small correction, but volume was building here, and it was clearly obvious that we are finding acceptance above this spike base, so I should more treat it as a breakout above overnight and above this lower distribution to trade higher. So even entering around point of control, I think would be justifiable. I'm not sure, because we made this small balance in H, maybe even in H period once we balanced, or once we broke outside of this balance. I'm trying not to be full of hindsight, but have some constructive thoughts, but it's tough for me to say if it's going to work next time I enter in a position like this. So we are opening with gap up, and it depends how much of it will be filled. I think that if we find some exhaustion of sellers, then it's going to be a nice opportunity to enter long, but I'd rather wait more, even entire session. Yesterday I went a short around here and got stopped out like within 2 ticks, but my stop was just some random, maybe not random, but 6-point stop. I don't like those type of trades, but it's so hard not to take them. I should take them, but smaller size than usual, and more focus on what's developing today. So today we'll be having clearly higher value, and unless we can get a really good access on the highs and build value below this balance high, I think I should be trading to the upside.